Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I don't know about you guys, but I like to look at how other people like do their hair, whether it's straightening it, curling it, putting it up, new hairstyles, because I am pretty boring with my hair. But I figured I'd show you how I get my hair like this. Plus, I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm always playing with it because it gets in the way. But yeah, I'm going to show you how I straighten it. I'll be showing you from start to finish, straight from the shower to this, pretty much. So yeah, let's get to it. So, as you can see, my hair is pretty much a mess. I literally look like Hagrid. I just washed my hair. Usually, I like to let it dry about 40 to 50% before I blow dry it, just to minimize the heat on it, since I usually do straighten my hair. But before I do that, I apply the R&B hair moisturizer from Lush. It's like this. It's a leave-in conditioner. I got this as a gift, actually. It's good for dry hair. It's good for dry hair. I have dry hair, so this works, and it softens the hair. And I did get a lot of compliments on my hair recently about how soft it is, so I'm going to assume it is this product here. As you can see, I've had this since, I want to say January, and I still have like a lot left, so it's worth your money, I'm going to assume. Like I said, I got it as a gift. So usually I just like to take my 2 fingers and just apply an amount like so, and then I apply it to my hair. I like the smell of it. I don't think it's too strong. It's like lemony but coconutty. My head. And I like to finger comb it through. Since I am going to be blow drying my hair, I'm going to take a heat protectant. I use the Tresemme heat tamer. But I use this to put in my hair before I blow dry it to protect my hair from heat damage. So I just put some on my hand and then put it throughout my hair. Now, this stuff actually works because before I would never use a heat protectant because I was like, that's a waste of money. But I've noticed that my ends got splitty, I guess, a lot more faster compared to like now. So when I got my hair cut about a year ago, I was like, I'm gonna protect my hair as much as I can because I'm very attached to it and it's very important. So I decided to get the spray, and let me tell you, it actually works. I didn't end up getting split ends till like, let's say, like 6 months later, which is pretty good considering I do like to straighten my hair. So that tells you something, I think. Okay, so now that that is in my hair, now I just like to blow dry it. Like I said, I do have a lot of hair, so when I blow dry it, I just like to section off my hair, like into 2 sections. I just feel like it works a lot faster than if I were just to do my whole head. So I just do this, put a little bun on top, and then I'll do the bottom half first. I just use this pink blow dryer. It's Conair, got it from Target. Okay, now that the bottom is dry, that actually took a lot faster than usual. Maybe because my hair is already semi-dry. So now I'm just going to take the top half, then tie up the second half so that it's not in the way, and then blow dry the top half now. took so much faster. I don't even think that was English. Okay. I probably look crazy right now, but like that's fine. So I do know why it blow dried. It dried faster. It's warm in here, and the weather is getting warmer, so maybe that's why. Okay, so now that my hair is dry, I usually start to part it so that I can straighten it. Now the straightener that I use is the Numi straightener. I don't even know if that's gonna show up. It is quite old. I got this years ago when like every YouTuber was like promoting it, where you can get it like for 20 bucks or whatever, which is why I got it. But it actually works and it does its job, so like that's fine. So I like to part my hair into 3 sections to make life easier. And I just feel like it just goes by faster since I have a full head here. So like there's like one little bun on top, and then put another bun here in the middle, and then I'll just leave the bottom down, and then I'll just clip one side like so. I probably look crazy. So yeah, you get like this little mohawk thing happening, but whatever, it does its job. So I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'll take 1/2 and then take like a section, maybe like 1 inch, maybe a little less depending, and then I'll just straighten it. There's one round, and then like that. And yeah, that's usually what I do. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then like once I'm done with one side, I'll just move on to the next side and like work my way up. So yeah, at the roots I just like to like go through it a couple of times just to make sure it gets straightened. But yeah, I like these little pieces here. So yeah, that's usually what I do. So I'm just gonna do this throughout my whole head, and then I'll probably most likely fast forward it, because if I don't, it's gonna take like an hour. So usually when I'm done, I just like to comb my hair through a couple of times, get rid of any random knots. And then I like to use the Frizzy Secret Weapon Touch-Up Cream. Got this from like the drugstore. I've had this for years and I've always used it. So I just like to apply like a dime size, or not. Usually a dime size, but this is too much, but it's okay if we'll roll with it. And then I just like to finger comb it through my hair. Prevent any frizz. And yeah. Then I just find my part. My part is all over the place, but usually it's in the center. That looks about right, that's how I do my hair. Pretty self-explanatory. Everyone has their own method. I know this method for me works. I do have a lot of hair, thick hair, long hair. You're probably wondering, why don't you just blow dry it straight? It takes too long, honestly, and I feel like it's just damaging my hair even more, so I just blow dry and then straighten, or just straightening it, depending how dry my hair is. I'll list all the products that I used below, and if you like what you see, you can always like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys would like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.